tired. Undersea life is so boring. Hey, that's not true. We have so much food to eat.
So many friends.
And even cool playgrounds.
Yeah, but I'm so bored now that the sea festival is over.
I remember Octopus's funny dance.
That was great.
That was great.
They're talking about me. That dance was boring.
Boring? Then what do you think is fun?
I don't know. Something exciting enough to shake the whole world. What is this? Ouch!
Are you okay? Hey guys! Would you like to dance with me?
From then on, nobody in the sea complained about being bored.
Goodbye, you all!
Already? Come on, one more song.
Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.